Hi, in front of me is TCL 25G and today I would like to show you how you can connect it through Bluetooth. First of all, open Settings and tap on Bluetooth and Device Connections. Then click on the switcher next to Bluetooth and tap on Bluetooth itself. Now choose Pair New Device and wait for available ones to show up. Now click on the one that you want to connect to. Select Pair and wait for it to accept your connection request. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. If you wish to forget this connection, click on the gear icon next to the device, select Forget and tap on Forget Device. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!